This was really amazing.
It's freezing. Guys, it is snowing so ridiculously hard right now. I mean, sorry, I'm laughing so much I'm shaking the camera. You guys look cute though.
Unobstructed 360-degree views.
It's a pretty awesome elevator. We're moving really quick. Alright, you can see we're doing about 10 floors every 3 seconds. Alright, we are on the 80th floor. This is the first view inside. And they were saying that the snow kind of ruins the view. I think it kind of adds to it. It just gives the whole city like a mysterious look. Erection views of the Empire State Building. It's actually pretty cool. I didn't realize it's really not that old.
1931.
It's not even 100 years old.
Right.
It's kind of neat. It gives you a timeline from like when they started. So the base was April, May, June, July. I mean, it's insane. Basically, almost took them a year just to erect the steel. Sorry. Trying to orient myself on where we're at. Okay, so the Hudson River is over there. Down there is the World Trade Center 1. So if you had a decent view, you can kind of barely see through the clouds, would be the Statue of Liberty. Cool shot of the flag blowing in the wind.
We're on the east side.
What's that?
We're on the east side.
Yeah.
Because it says so.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, right there.
I was like, yeah, I don't know how
I'm
she
so smart.
knows that. I know.
No, I would never know.
Ooh, it looks windy.
Yeah. Get ready to go brave the elements. Ask him, can he tie a tie as well?
Shut up.
I love him. Are you ready?
No, I need gloves. And the lens cap. Man cap. They make you walk through the gift shop. You too can own this. I'm actually digging on these skyline pictures.
It's pretty heavy, actually.
Is it? You want to get a little one?
Get one for the ladies.
Add it to their collection. There's an awesome mural again. It's pretty pimp. No, look who's in trouble. They found the Sephora store on 5th Avenue. Yoicks. It's actually really fancy. Do you think that's real gold? Alright, here we go. Babe, this store is incredible. You guys should be in like hog heaven here. Alright, Clayton and Pippa, if you're watching, she would adore this store. What did you guys get?
Sorry. It's like a candy store.
Yeah, these two are like
We got this lipstick.
scary in here. So what's that set me back?
It's free.
Snowing here at Rockefeller Center, so it's kind of hard to see the tree and stuff. Kind of a cool shot of the ice skating rink. It is cold out here, and it's really wild that it's snowing. Very, very cool. They're all waiting for me. Sorry! Times Square. It's so cold. It is freezing.
Bus tour, ticket information.
We're waiting in line to see how much tickets are for the memorial.
Hi. It's freezing cold out here.
Yes, this is my niece. She's cold.
Very cold. And hungry.
Called Carmine's, and it is busy. Alright, we're in the second floor of the restaurant, and it is snowing like crazy.
It's pretty good.
Is it?
Yes. You should like that try some of this.
Ooh.
I like it. I think it's kind of cool.
Madison got some hot tea. She should have been born in some European country. That's all she drinks. Chicken parm and what's this called?
Chicken marsala.
Okay. What was your favorite?
No, I think
The bread? The chicken parm?
But the mushroom. What did you like? The chicken parm or that?
What do you think, babe?
It's a toss-up. Like the chicken parm was really good. So was
Or the marsala?
yeah, the marsala.
Yeah, the mushrooms were like perfect. I cannot get over how much is snowing. I mean, you almost can't see the buildings. It's like a whiteout.
I feel a little bit better now though because I feel like we can walk at our own
Nearly there, nearly there. All right, Hampton Inn, home sweet home.
I'm just saying, this was an experience, yeah?
Yes, absolutely.
It was fun. I mean, you know.
Our first blizzard in Manhattan.
Yeah, even like the uncomfortable times are lots of fun when you look back on them.
Just to show you again the difference between this morning and now is the blizzard that took place while we were outside. Oh man, it feels nice to be
Yes.
hunkered down.